Hey, so I'm testing this, Jimmy. I hope it works. Here's the little car. I'm going to hit pause. I'm going to see if this works. Boom. Hey, it worked. But I don't know where the microphone is. So, I don't know what's happening. All four wheels should lock. That wheel is spinning. I think I'm going to blow up my Macintosh. So I take the wheel off. It's just one nut. It's fine. And now I'm just horsing around talking. Because the little camera I use does not have audio. Where's the microphone? Up here? Down here? I don't know where the microphone is. So that's just a little nut to keep the back of the wheel on. No biggie. Now you can't see what's going on, but that shaft spins. I'm spinning it. And it's connected to the differential. So it's spinning where it turns on the CV. CV joint? Maybe if I say more times. It's funny, the little pin never falls out. I haven't lost it yet. Maybe because I got too much grease in there. So that's a steering knuckle. I'm just taking the steering knuckle out. That's where a rusted bearing was. I replaced the bearing with those cheapies. That pin holds the steering knuckle onto the shaft. There's another pin that goes in this little cup. It's held on by a sleeve. Now I'm pulling the shaft out, and there's a ball with a pin in it. That pin is supposed to go all the way through that cup. So I just pulled the pin out. There's a little sleeve in there. So this is how it should go all the way through the cup. And one hole was smaller than the other. That's weird. So that ball goes, that pin holds that ball on. I don't know what the video is going to look like on this. I'm running out of video. I wonder what happened here. I can't get the pin out. I'm going to look for another video because there's more to it. I used a magnet to get that pin out. Magnet! Because I'm clever. Okay. I found some more video. So you can kind of see how the ball has to go in the cup. Up. And that's it. Yeah. Something happened. So goodbye.